Welcome to the grand final of the Asset Intelligence Framework. We have spent 17 modules solving the physics of failure, deleting waste, and building the digital nervous system of our plant. But today, we address the ultimate question for any CEO or board. How do we grow without buying more equipment? In the traditional industrial model, if you want 20% or more revenue, you would buy 20% or more assets. You build a new wing, you buy a new mixer, and you take on a massive debt. This is linear growth. But the AIF enables exponential growth. Today, I'm going to show you how to use intelligence to replace capital and turn your existing facility into a revenue-generating machine that your competitors can't match. The greatest lie in manufacturing is that your plant is at full capacity. Throughout this series, we have proven that most facilities are actually running at a fraction of their physical potential because of information latency. Recall our case study from previous modules. A board was ready to sign a $20 million check for a second mixer. By using edge intelligence and our predictive cooling algorithm, we didn't just save them money. We found a 10 million factory inside their existing walls. When your co-pilot eliminates the $1 million second, those transient microstops that operators don't even see, you are unlocking thousands of hours of production time that was previously lost to the void. That extra time isn't just uptime. It is pure, unallocated revenue. Revenue isn't just about how much you make. It's about the value of your promise. In previous module, we built the deferment engine. If your competitors have an 85% reliability rating, they are forced to play in the low-margin commodity space. They can't guarantee delivery, so they can't charge a premium. But when you use risk-adjusted scheduling and autonomous diagnostics, you are selling certainty. A 100% default record allows you to win the high-stakes, Tier 1 contracts that keep your plant running 24/7. You aren't just avoiding a $50,000 in penalties. You are securing a $1.2 million monthly contract because you are the only one customer can trust. AI-driven reliability is the ultimate commercial weapon. Finally, we look at the balance sheet. In the AIF, we treat maintenance as a capital deferment strategy. Every time your AI co-pilot detects forced deterioration and allows you to defer a $5 million turbine replacement for 4 years, that is $5 million that stays in your cash flow. That is capital you can use to acquire competitors, R&D, or market expansion. We have moved from fixing pumps to managing the balance sheet. We have proven that a $300,000 investment in intelligence can deliver a 800% ROI. This is how you win the boardroom. The framework is now complete. You have moved from reactive chaos to deterministic intelligence. You have the tools to solve the physics, kill the waste, and drive the revenue engine of your business. The data is waiting. The machines are ready. It is time to execute. I'm Roberts, and this is the Asset Intelligence Framework. Protocol complete.